Welcome to NexThink, English, your guide to timeless wisdom from the ancient Hindu scriptures. This channel is dedicated to bringing you the teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas, explained in clear, simple English, so that anyone, anywhere in the world can understand and apply their message. From deep spiritual truths to practical life guidance, from Lord Krishna's wisdom to stories of Lord Shiva and Vishnu, here you'll find knowledge that's not just ancient, but eternal. Whether you're in America, Europe, or anywhere seeking clarity and peace, this channel is for you. I present each topic in the form of monologues, story explainers, and verse-by-verse insights, made for modern minds. Subscribe now and join me on a journey to discover the wisdom of the ancients for life today. NexThink, English, spirituality, simplicity, truth.